Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I am changing the points on my well. They froze together, and you can take an emery board and clean them off, but I took a picture of the wires because you got the white, the red, and this is a black wire, but it's coming from the gray feed on this side, and this black wire is coming from this other side, so you need to make sure you do all that. And up under there, if you can see right there, they've got Teflon tape going around that, so you want to replace that. And I've just bought a new one, and I'm going to put this one to the side. Matter of fact, I bought two new ones just to have one because I hate being without water. So I'm going to replace this, and it's pretty easy. Just make sure you cut off your main power because you don't want to kiss that 110 by any means. But it's a pretty easy job, and if you'd get a plumber, I imagine 150 plus 30 or 40 for the this whole mechanism, and because they're going to go pick it up, and it only costs $20, so I'm going to have $20 in it when I do it. And I replaced the tank too, replace this pressure gauge, and I've got a leak right here, but what I did, I put that JB Weld on it, the waterproof JB Weld. I put an inner tube tire on there, and then I put these pipe clamps on there, and this thing has not leaked a bit, and it's kind of an awkward area right there. So if I ever have any other work going on with the well that I'm not doing, I'll just have them replace that at such time. Well, I want to get this changed and save yourself some money. Do it yourself. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.